day! Being productive is difficult. I hate that they package toys so annoyingly. People are gonna look at me. One of the best workouts I've done in a long time.
Waking up to my heartbeat, accompanied by the rain. The soreness in my eyes is not very surprising. This room is still uncharted, but as soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS. I'll wave like it's nobody's business. Give me some time to breathe, some time to speak, 'cause I know the truth inside, and I promise you this time, no bravado, no more strange, stupid games, just one motto. No more pain, all in vain, let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend, no bravado, no bravado.
Or afternoon, or whenever you're watching this. Ow! Today, I am determined to have a productive day. Oh, also, hi. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Hallie, if you don't already know. Subscribe and stick around for a while. Anyway, I am determined to have a productive day today because ever since Chris and I went on our trip, which if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. But ever since we did that, it's been almost a week. It's been about 5 days since we got back, and I've just been lazy. Like, there's no way to make an excuse for it. Before I left, I did a cleaning video. My house is a mess again within 5 days of me being back, which is awesome. But anyway, I haven't wanted to get ready. I haven't wanted to do literally anything. I have worked out, but I don't know. I've just been lazy. So today, I do have a couple of things that I would like to get done. I already read my Bible, folded Paisley's laundry, and made breakfast this morning so far. I think it's like 9 o'clock or something like that. I'm not really sure. But I told myself that today I'd actually have to get ready, and Paisley is eating her breakfast watching The Wiggles. So this is my time to get ready. I just feel like I've been like in a slump. Ever since school ended, I feel like I don't have a purpose. And I'm not saying being a mom is not like a purpose. Obviously, stay-at-home moms, I am a stay-at-home mom. I just feel like because I was being a stay-at-home mom and doing school full-time, like, I mean, I'm not saying I want to be stressed out like that again, but the school gave me something to kind of like work towards and progress and make a goal for. Again, not that I want the kind of that much stress, but you know, a little stress is good for you. As of right now, I'm just getting ready because me and Paisley are gonna go to Aldi. One, because I'm out of coffee creamer, she's out of juice, and there was something else. Oh, we're out of bread. So we're gonna run to Aldi this morning. We also have to run to Target because my sister-in-law's birthday was 3 days ago. I think it was on Tuesday or something like that, and today's Friday. So I'm gonna run to Target, see what I can find for her. Oh, why do those eyelashes look like that? I need a new mascara. I think it's supposed to be cold today. Oh my goodness, my back and my arms are so sore. I did a really good back workout the other day, so that's cool. I do want to work out today at some point. I'm thinking I'm gonna do legs today, and then I also have to meet with my brother, sister-in-law, mom, because we were talking about some wedding stuff, so for my brother and my sister-in-law. Here's an issue I've been having. So I've been trying to like find my style, and I've like made a bunch of Pinterest boards on it, but I just can't seem to like execute it. Not that I need more clothes, but I kind of gotta get rid of my old clothes and buy new clothes. I do want to go thrift shopping soon, so stay tuned for that video. That would be so much fun. I don't know what I want to wear today. Wait, I could wear my jeans. Hold on. Yep. We're gonna wear some comfy jeans today. I don't know. I just feel like I need to try more, put more outfit. put more outfits into my effort, put more effort into my outfits, and then I would feel a little bit better. Hold on, I have an idea. Obviously going to be wearing these earrings, which I wear 24/7. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but I feel like for me, to put on an actual like outfit is really productive. This is my outfit now, so we'll see how it looks. Can we see this? I wish I had like a belt to go with this, but I don't have a belt with any like gold accents on it, you know? But I'm gonna fix my hair because this is not cute, but maybe it's because I haven't worn an outfit like this in so long that I'm like, people are gonna look at me. Nobody's gonna look at me. Nobody really cares what you're wearing. Do you want to get dressed? What should we wear today? Bam, bam. Ready? Can you put your arms up? Oh, there you go. Other side. The up. Good job. Woohoo! Hey, all right, you can play for a second and take a break. Being productive is difficult. Okay, Pisa, can I have a hug? We are back from Aldi and Target. Figured I'd show you guys what we got, considering I didn't film it all when we were there because I didn't want to take my camera, and as soon as I took out my phone, Paisley wanted it because normally I give her my phone to play with if we're in the store for a long time. Anyway, so I got this sugar-free French vanilla creamer. The one I normally get does not look like this packaging, so I'm interested to see how this will taste, because I just ran out of my other creamer. We got juice for Paisley because she really likes this kind, yeah. And then bread. So sorry for Paisley playing with her toy. But speaking of toy, I bought Paisley this toy. We had one like this in the nursery at my old church, and all the kids really liked it, so I figured we'll try it out with Paisley. Oh, it says 1 year plus, so. And then I also bought part of my sister-in-law's gift for her birthday, but in the odd chance that she's gonna watch this video, I'm not gonna show you guys. Oh my goodness, how do you open this thing? I gotta open it, Paige. Holy cow. Ugh, I hate that they package toys so annoyingly. All right, come here. Now we gotta make lunch. It's also very gloomy out today, like it's like 45 and rainy, so it's very dark in here. But now it's time to make lunch because I am starving. All right, this is my lunch. It's kind of it's like a hodgepodge of stuff. So it's just some cooked chicken, zucchini, and then a hard-boiled egg with some buffalo sauce, and then I think that's sweet chili sauce. So yeah, that's my lunch.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young.
As you can probably tell, I just finished my workout, but I wasn't planning on talking to you guys, I'm not gonna lie. First of all, Paisley is not sleeping. I thought that she was. She's just talking in her room and screaming. Not screaming in a bad way, but just like yelling. So I'm gonna go up and go get her in a second. I didn't show you guys my whole workout, but I am gonna put what I did in the description bar below in case you want to try it out, because it was probably like one of the best workouts I've done in a long time. It was like difficult without being too difficult, with the point where I wanted to give up. But like I'm definitely gonna feel it tomorrow. Like that was a good workout. It was a mixture of like, I don't want to say it's a lot of cardio, but there's like a couple jump squats in there, lunges, which I don't particularly like to do. But it was good, like it was really good. I just wanted to actually come on here and let you guys know that it was really good. I'll write out the workout down below so you guys can look at the full workout. I only showed you like a couple exercises I did in it. I'm gonna try to get Paisley to fall asleep or like read her a book or something, and then I'm gonna take a shower because I'm very sweaty right now. All right, you guys, excuse my red face. So because Miss Paisley did not nap, I wasn't able to take a full shower, like wash my hair and everything. I mean, I bet you I could have, because I left the door to the bathroom open and she was kind of just in there playing when I was in the shower, but I just didn't want to. So I'll just wash my hair either later tonight when Chris gets home or tomorrow morning. But I'm back in the outfit I was earlier. You want me to turn on the light? I'm gonna fix her hair, and then we're gonna get ready to go over to my parents' house. We still technically don't need to be there for another hour and a half, and then we will go because we need to get things done, right, Pace? So it's been a few days. It's been a couple days. I kind of, not gonna lie, completely forgot I was filming this video in the first place. But basically, just to catch you up to speed, after that last clip that you saw, I went over to my parents' house, stayed there till about 6 or 7, it was like 6:30, came home, ate dinner, and then did nothing for the rest of the day. Needless to say, it was still a very productive day. Also, that leg workout, keep in mind, this was like 3 days ago that I filmed that video. My legs are still sore, so do with that what you will. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you enjoyed this video because it really supports my channel. Also subscribe to my channel because I make a new video every Monday and Thursday, and comment down below what kind of day you're having today. Is it productive, unproductive, somewhere in between? Are you on vacation? Whatever, let me know. Yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.